Good morning. Before you rush into your day, give yourself this moment, one quiet moment to breathe, to slow down, to remember who you truly are. You don't have to have everything figured out today. You don't have to carry yesterday's worries anymore. Something beautiful begins the moment you choose hope over fear. And perhaps that moment is right now. Take a slow, deep breath. Breathe in peace and breathe out every doubt. Now gently repeat these affirmations with your heart open. I welcome this new day with gratitude. Today is filled with new opportunities. Everything is working in my favor. I trust that life is guiding me in the perfect direction. I am calm. I am safe. I am supported. I release the fear that no longer serves me. I choose peace instead of worry. My mind is clear and my heart is light. I deserve happiness. I deserve love. I deserve success. Abundance flows to me with ease. The right people, the right opportunities, and the right blessings are finding me now. I believe in myself. I believe in my journey. I believe that something wonderful is unfolding today. Every breath fills me with confidence. Every step brings me closer to my dreams. I attract kindness, joy, and positive energy wherever I go. Today, I choose faith. Today, I choose gratitude. Today, I choose to believe that amazing things are already on their way. Take one more deep breath. Feel the peace within you. Carry this feeling into every conversation, every decision, and every moment of your day. Remember, something amazing begins the moment you decide to believe it can. If these affirmations lifted your heart, comment, "I am ready" below. Share this video with someone who needs a fresh start today, and subscribe for more daily affirmations that inspire peace, confidence, and a beautiful life.